Today I'm going to show you how to brighten up your reverse lights on your C10 with the help from UPI. These are UPI's LED reverse lights. They're a direct replacement for your 67 to 72 C10. All you have to do is unbolt the lens, pull the old bulb out, put these back in, and then you're done. So let me show you how to install it on our C10. To start off, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver, these two screws right here. Remember to keep the hardware. Pull lens out. Next, take your time because it's a very tight area. Don't squeeze too hard because you can break the bulb. Just push it in, twist counterclockwise, and then you can pull it out. So they make this nice connection with this slot here. So we're gonna put our flat blade screwdriver in there once we get it in the slot so we can turn it because you can't really get your fatty fingers like I have into there. Line up these pins in the slots, get them in there, take your flat blade screwdriver, push in, and then turn it clockwise. And then just give it a little pull, make sure it's in. Push the wires into the pocket, put the light in place, and then reinstall your screws. Before tightening them, get both in, then tighten them down. All right, now this side's installed. Repeat the same process. Let's see how bright they are. Wow, everyone, these LEDs are super bright. There is no comparison to the factory lights. You ever take about 10 minutes to install these? All you need is 2 tools, have fun, and keep on building.